Assalamualaikum, good morning.
Morning. Who are you ready to go to school?
Okay, let's go.
Yes, I will pick you up later.
Yes, I am waiting in front of the house.
Who are you?
I am very well, thanks and you. Come on, let's go. Go to school. Yeah. Bro. I think motorcycle is broken, bro.
I think so. My people turun here.
Let's move to the side of the road, bro. Let's see. Let's try to find a repair shop near here. There is a motorcycle repair shop in here or in front of us. Let's do that.
But it's not here.
100 meters in here there is a workshop.
Hot.
What? Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
I want to change my motorcycle tire.
Please wait a moment.
Thank you, sir.
Have you finished motorcycle service?
A little more.
If the tire have been parts, yes.
Yes, sir.
Bro, please bring water.
Yes, sir. This is the water. The tires need to be replaced.
Yes, sir. Replace the new.
Pack the new tire in the glass cup part.
Yes, sir.
Finisher,
How much does it cost?
250,000 rupiah.
Okay, this is money. Sir, really the service is very fast.
You are welcome.
Okay. Finish, bro. Finish, bro. Come on, let's go to school. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.